my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is raining. Yeah. Hello everybody. So it's like, what time is it, Hannah? Like 6 o'clock, and it's currently like 6 o'clock, so I didn't vlog most of the day because we were driving for most of the day. But we're here at Clearwater Beach, right? Is that what it's called? Clearwater, Florida. Look at this, look at this. My goodness, look at this place. Today we're just gonna relax and look at the sand. It's so white, fluffy. Wow. Tim, what do you think of this beach so far?
Nice.
Very nice.
Really nice sand, and yeah, I never checked out the water yet, so.
How about you, Hannah? Mommy?
What is that?
What do you think of the beach so far?
I like it. The sand is white.
Beautiful. How are you, Mia? I don't know if you can see that behind me, but look at those clouds. Looks like it's gonna rain. Woo! Why is it cold?
What time is it supposed to end?
Hey, stop. Look at you. Hi, say hi.
Supposed to go in the water.
Go in the water, huh? How do you like this place?
Really nice and warm. Makes me feel like I'm in Hawaii. I don't know. The thing is, they call this Clearwater Beach, and supposedly it was right up there with Lanikai Beach. But I don't know. I have to say, the sand is really nice. It's like white. And yeah, maybe Wes will post like a zoom up shot of what the sand actually looks like.
Take some 4K shots.
Yeah, but when it says clear water, I don't know what they're talking about. It looks kind of murky. Maybe we're here at the wrong time. Yeah.
Nothing like Lanikai at all.
Yeah, Lanikai is like that's clear water.
Why are you crying? What's wrong? You wanna play in the water, huh? Boto da yo.
You want to say informally?
Boto desu. Boto desu. Boto o miru. Boto mite.
Boto mite.
Boto mite.
Look at the boat.
Why are you saying that?
Because boat in Japanese means, or boto in Japanese means boat.
Yeah. Boto. Look, there's a storm coming in this way. Yeah, it's really gray now. But look at that sunset. Kirei desu. Kirei desu ne. Kirei da ne. Mommy, you see the sailboat?
Yeah.
Mommy?
So
too.
Nice one.
It is starting to rain right there. You can see it. Oh boy. Hope I don't get caught in the rain because that'll be really bad. They're trying to get some shots of Tim holding the sun too. Oh, hello. Hey, Illy, how's it going? Oh, hi.
Got it.
You're the one who's trying to eat the sun one.
I call this scene right here, leaving room for Jesus. Or a serious case of the friend zone. Moment of silence for our fallen brethren.
Look
It's sad.
straight. Allah. Allah.
Look at the huge contrast here. You got a sky that's gray that looks like it's about to like storm and hurricane, whatever. And then you look on the other side, a nice beautiful sunset. Beautiful. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! It is raining. Yeah.
Hey, it's leaking.
Oh no! It's a new camera. It's a new camera. Oh man! It started raining. Oh, Tim, you okay up there?
Yeah. Excuse me.
Tim, watch out! It's raining, Lay. What are we gonna do?
Oh no.
Oh my goodness.
Where's your face?
Oh! It's cold. It's really cold.
Oh, are we gonna get out of here?
No one throw the set.
So the sun is officially down. Look at the sky though. Yeah, man. But we're gonna stay here because we paid for 2 hours and we want to get our 2 hours worth. So we're like one of the only people on the beach. Look at that. Everybody left after it started raining. On this side too. Almost everybody's gone. Scary looking sky, but it's okay. I think we saw little bolts of lightning earlier too. But you know, it's okay. We paid for 2 hours here at the parking, so might as well get your money's worth. Yeah. Mary, did you get all the sand out of your hair? This little tent saved us from the rain. Alright guys, so we successfully got out of that little drizzle in the rain earlier, so now we're all dry. We're currently stopped at Checkers, right there. So we're gonna eat here tonight and find a place to sleep. And yeah, it's really windy right now, so it's gonna probably storm tonight. That'll be the end of this video. We still have a couple more days here on the road, but thank you guys for watching, and like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps. Comment down below if you ever been to Florida or went to the beach and it started raining, because it was pretty crazy. It's the first time that happened to us. Thank you guys for watching, and catch you later.
Point at the beach.
Ah! Ew! 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 It's not food.